Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Nico, and today we are actually checking out Namjoo. Yes, A-Pink's Namjoo in her solo debut. Bird. As a panda, as well as a Neverland right now, I am so happy. For the people who doesn't know, Namjoo is actually working with Idol's Soyeon. So basically, Soyeon produced as well as wrote the song. So a quick backstory about how this song came into fruition. Actually, I think there was something that Namjoo had an idea of. So I think it was a book or something, and then she brought it to Soyeon as reference, I think, and then Soyeon then came up with the title Bird. From the teasers, we have seen bits and pieces of Soyeon's just basically elements and how she touched this song. So I am excited to check this out. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's pop in them AirPods. Namjoo, Bird in 3, 2, 1, go. Again, a lot of those sound effects of birds just playing in the background. Ooh, ding. This is so Soyeon. I swear to God. I have to be honest. Namjoo's voice is well complemented the song itself. It's amazing. The key. Ooh. I love that birdcage scene as well. It's like we're expecting this. It's like we're expecting this kind of vibe coming from Namjoo. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh, here comes the rap part. Ooh, those bird sound effects. Ooh, that eagle. She looks like Cleopatra with that short hair. Like, she looks like the Egyptian queen with that short hair. Bow down to the queen. Yo, not gonna lie, Soyeon loves her animals, huh? She had lion, now she has a bird. I'm gonna be free like a bird. Those bird sound effects are really complementing everything so well. Fly away from my old dream, bird. She is Cleopatra. I really love that chorus, though. I really love the chorus. I want to play that again. I want to play this again, but so let's start it off. So just by this. So this is kind of similar. I'm sorry to compare, but this is kind of similar to the scene of Lion from Minnie's part. Similar to the arrow she's laying on a Egyptian bed or something similar to this one. Ooh, but I really love the effects that they did on how they designed this set. So basically, as you can see here, this is like the Namjoo that she was talking about all throughout the song that she wanted to stray away from. So the past Namjoo. So it looks like the message of this song is also implying just fly towards your dream and go fly towards your goal. So it looks like from this scene she's being trapped, or the message being implied is those arrows are coming to get her, but it is frozen in thin air. So yeah. Wow. Just wow. How can she not be a queen just by this scene? That a part of me is breaking. Rekindle the dying fire. So from this scene, it looks like she is basically, when they do this kind of scene, so it's a very dark scene, and then all you can see is Namjoo looking into a window, and then there's a huge source of light coming from that window. So it's basically implying that she is looking forward to something, or she's trapped on this current scene that she is in, and then she wants to break out onto the wild or outside, or just basically get out of the darkness that she is in right now, because that shine of light is bringing a message that there's something outside that you still need to basically venture on. It's interesting as well that she walked away from the light. And that birdcage scene is so good. I love as well what they did here. So from the first part of the music video, the first verse coming into the chorus, she was wearing or rocking that long hair all throughout. And then just before that chorus hits, she did this cutting of a hair scene. And now she has short hair. Love that. And it's the same scene. It's the same place. And all that changed were the lighting, the outfits of both Namjoo as well as her dancers. But everything is the same, and I think there's less sand in the scene. But as you can see from the previous scene, this scene, it is the same one, but everyone is wearing white. And then all of a sudden, everyone's wearing black, and then black and red for Namjoo. Named the Blue Flyer. I'm gonna be free like a bird. I like that they drew this scene as well. So basically how they achieved this was they were using laser lights, and I think they were using some smokes right here. Or no, I think they were using filters on this laser, as you can see over here. So this basically just threw in some bit of a modern touch, because on the previous scenes that we've seen, it was mostly like the early parts of the era. So how to say this? So the scene prior to this was mostly Egyptian setting, right? So there's a lot of sand, so it's kind of saying that the setting and everything that was revolving on that scene was ancient times. But when the rap part kicks in, they threw in a bit of those laser lights. So yeah, just to throw in or break in some modern touch, since yeah, rapping is kind of modern. Wow. Those, and they're also using the same scene, so we could still see those arrows. She's standing on that bed that she was lying on the start, and they just changed the light from again that natural light from the start that went to red and yellow, and then now it's all blue. Great use of light. They made one location feel like 3 different locations just by playing with the light. Love it. Ooh. My goodness, damn visuals. Wow. If you see the anticipated sky, don't hesitate to row me. Don't worry, I'll fly. I love the message of the song. Because I'm a bird. My goodness, Namjoo visuals. I'm just staring at her at this point. Ooh, what was the one thing she was breaking? I kind of missed that. What was that? What are those? What are those sculptures that she was breaking? Did I miss a scene? So they were breaking some sculptures. Set off a treasure. Looking for the real me, hidden from everyone else. Yo, the choreography is insane as well. That Cleopatra look, my goodness. This last chorus has so much of that bird sound effect. Ooh, that was so good. Okay, so last July we got Eunji to come back with Away. Now we got Namjoo to come back for debut with Bird. Wow. I wonder who's coming next. I wonder who's coming next for A-Pink, and I love the activities that A-Pink has been doing the past couple of months, even the past year. Wow. So Hayoung is doing a lot of streaming. Oh my god. And then just Chorong being active with Bommy with weekly. Ooh, as a panda, I'm just so happy that the girls are active and they're doing so many things. And just going back to Namjoo's solo debut, wow, I actually did not expect that this concept would fit Namjoo so seamlessly. Like, we all know that she's kind of swaggy, that Namjoo's the swaggy amongst the girls from A-Pink. And for the younger pandas, we all know that they came from a very cute concept, and they matured throughout the year. And I kid you not, this was kind of a curveball for me, coming from Namjoo. But thing is, I enjoyed it, and just knowing that it is idol Soyeon and being a Neverland myself as well just warms my entire body, my entire soul right now, knowing that she trusted Soyeon to handle her solo debut. And again, it just fit. It was just a perfect fit for Namjoo, and thank you Soyeon for just creating again such a beautiful song for Namjoo. She deserved such a talented music producer and music writer as Soyeon for this wonderful song. Round of applause coming from a panda. Round of applause coming from a Neverland. Thank you Namjoo. Thank you Soyeon for this beautiful song. Anyways, guys, did you enjoy my reaction for Namjoo's solo debut Bird? Please do let me know by hitting that like button. Comment down below of what we should do next, and if you guys want to be a part of this growing community, please subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell so y'all would be notified every time we upload a new video. Guys, this has been Nico. I'll see y'all soon. Bye bye.